Hi and welcome to your Quick Sentence Builder Lesson 5. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is make. Here's a picture of someone making a cake. Here is make translated into other languages. Pause the video and find yours. Make means to create or put parts together to make something. Make. Let's build a sentence. She will make. Here, we will use the future tense. Will. Let's build a sentence. She will make. What? What will she make? She will make a cake. Let's build a sentence. She will make a cake. Why? Why will she make a cake? She will make a cake for my birthday. Let's build a sentence. She will make a cake for my birthday. When? When will she make a cake? She will make a cake for my birthday next weekend. Let's build a sentence. She will make a cake for my birthday next weekend. What? What kind of cake? She will make a chocolate cake. Delicious. Let's build a sentence. She will make a chocolate cake for my birthday next weekend. What? What is important about your birthday? She will make a chocolate cake for my birthday party next weekend. Oh. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words who, what, where, when, why, and how. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.